Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, beautiful VIP room decoration, modern room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one, the washing clothes. You can see the machines and all, and the chemicals and all for washing clothes. This also you can see very beautiful room decoration. You can see the floor, the wall, the curtains and all, very beautiful, looking very expensive modern room. This also you can see the modern room decoration. You can see the lights, the color, the design and decoration and all, very beautiful. And this one you can see it is also very beautiful decoration. You can see the lights, the lines, very beautiful. It is the ever room I like, is very beautiful. The stairs also, this also you can see it is very beautiful decoration. The curtains and on blue color theme, the up lamp and all, the lights and all, very beautiful. This one you can see the, maybe it is a big house. Yes, you can see the big house. You can see the purse and all. You can keep your VIP purse, beautiful. This also you can see the beautiful modern bedroom decoration. You can see the purple color lights and all, beautiful lights, expensive lights, modern room decoration. This one you can see the white and black color room decor, very VIP room decoration. This also I love. You can see the wall, the roof and all. And this one also you can see it is very beautiful. You can see the floor, you can see the bed, the white, the curtains and all. And this one you can see the stairs and all, very beautiful stairs. You can see very good. The sides and all, very beautiful, the floor and all. This one also you can see the beautiful decoration, the up, the down, the wall and on, the lights and all, very beautiful decoration you can see. And this one you can see the wall, the beautiful wall and all, you can see. And the bedroom, the decoration is and all, is very beautiful. And this one you can see the black color outside the house decor theme. You can see very beautiful theme. The swimming pool, it is there, beautiful swimming pool. I love this one also. It's also you can see the modern room decoration. It is very beautiful decoration. You can see the bed and all. And this one you can see the lamp and all, very beautiful decoration lamp. You can see it is very beautiful also. And the blue color theme. In this one in black color theme. The floor, the table and all. It is very beautiful, very good. It is very beautiful. This also you can see the pink color bed and the curtains. So I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And don't forget to comment me which room decor you like. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.